Hello, my little space explorers. Have you ever seen a rocket blasting off into the sky and wondered, how does it fly so high? Well, today, I'm going to take you on an exciting journey to uncover the secrets of rockets. Let's blast off into the world of science together. What is a rocket? Imagine a giant tube filled with special fuel that makes it zoom into space. That's what a rocket is. It's like a super strong balloon, but instead of air, it uses burning fuel to push itself upwards. How does a rocket fly? Here's the fun part. Have you ever blown up a balloon and let it go? It flies around because the air rushes out. Rockets work the same way. When the fuel burns, it creates gas that pushes out from the bottom of the rocket. This powerful push is called thrust, and it helps the rocket zoom up, and away. And do you know why rockets fly straight up? It's because they want to escape Earth's gravity, which pulls everything down. Rockets need to be super strong to break free. What happens in space? Once the rocket reaches space, it doesn't need to fight gravity anymore. The astronauts inside can float because there's no gravity pulling them down. Isn't that cool? Rockets also help us carry satellites, telescopes, and even robots to explore other planets. Some rockets even take astronauts to the moon or the International Space Station. A fun experiment you can try. You can make a mini rocket at home. Here's how. 1. Take an empty plastic bottle. 2. Fill it halfway with vinegar. 3. Put a little baking soda in a small piece of tissue. 4. Drop the tissue into the bottle and quickly close the cap. 5. Place it on the ground and step back. Watch as it fizzes and pops up like a rocket. But remember, always ask an adult to help you. So, the next time you see a rocket blasting into the sky, you'll know all about thrust, fuel, and how it works. Rockets are like magical machines that help us explore the universe. What would you like to send into space if you had your own rocket? Let me know in the comments below.